Now we are going to solve question number 5.9, and in this question it is given to you a rocket with a lift of mass 20,000 kg is blasted upward with an initial acceleration of 5 meter per second square. Calculate the initial thrust, or we can say force of the blast. Clear? So let us try to analyze this given situation. Let's suppose we can see, let's suppose this is a rocket. Clear? Clear? Mass is given to you. Let's suppose I am assuming this is capital M. Clear? This rocket is having some initial acceleration A in an upward direction. So definitely let's suppose I am saying thrust force is acting. This is force F. Actually what is thrust? Definitely some gas is to be, some burnt gases, it will be come out from this rocket in a downward direction. According to Newton's third law, we know every action has an opposite reaction. So definitely if burning gases, we can say this is an action, so we can say upthrust that is acting, this is known as reaction. Clear? So we can say, let's suppose thrust force is F. Because it is having some mass, so definitely gravitational force is also acting in the downward direction. So I can write like this: net force, this is equal to mass into acceleration. Clear? Net force is acting in upward direction. I can say this is F minus mg, this is equal to ma. Clear? So I can say value of F, this is given by m times g plus a. Now mass of this rocket, lift of mass, actually we know as the rocket will move in an upward direction, definitely the mass will also changes. Clear? So actually this is a variable mass problem, but because that's why it is written here lift of mass. Initial mass is given to you 20,000, so I am writing here this is 20,000 and this is 10 plus. If we talk about acceleration, we can say this is 5. Clear? This is given in a question. So from here we can say 20,000, this is multiplied with 15, so I can say this is 30 into, we can say this is 10 to the power 4 Newton. Clear? So I can say thrust force acting in vertical upward direction, this is given by 3 into 10 to the power 5 Newton. Clear to everyone? So this is all about this question.